This is a great question, and a lot of you asked it, so let's get into this. Apparently, I thought I touched on it in the video, but I kind of skirted around it. So, if the universe was spinning, no, there wouldn't be a center that it was spinning around. And I know this is incredibly difficult to visualize in your head what is going on here, so I'm going to try and explain this as best I can. So, in the same way that there is no actual center of the universe in terms of like geometric center, right? When we look out into the universe, we're biased by the fact that we can only see the observable universe, which is dependent on how long it takes light to get to us. We can only see as far as light has had time to travel to us and in all the directions. And so when we look out, it feels like we're at the center of the universe. We just can't see the entire universe. In the same way, if the universe was spinning and we could actually measure, okay, like we can tell the universe is spinning, you know, in this direction, and therefore it's spinning around this axis, and the axis goes in this direction, right? And then you would say, okay, an alien in another galaxy, you know, billions of light years away, would do the same thing and be like, okay, we can tell the universe is spinning in this direction and it's spinning around this axis, right? The axis they would measure would be parallel to the axis we would measure here. But it would appear to us as if the universe was, you know, spinning around us, around that axis. But to the alien billions of light years away, it would also appear like the universe was spinning around that axis around them. So the universe would be spinning, but there would be no obvious, like, specific center axis that you could pinpoint. It would all be about, like, what you would observe. And this is the thing about, you know, measuring spin relative to other things as well is very difficult. But in general relativity, it should be possible. So this is what the maths tells us. There is no like actual center of the universe that it is spinning around, but if it was, there would be some measurable axis, which is what I touched on in the original video, and we should be able to tell that if that's the case. Like the universe would look different on either side. I hope that helps, although this stuff is very difficult to actually visualize.